Yep.
Right, I'm going to say a few words about this beastie. We've had it 20 months, MS500i, and I have to say it's the best saw I've used, the best saw. We've had most of the Stihl saws as they've come out. We've got 661 at the minute and 461, but to be honest, they don't come out the shed. This is a saw we go to for every application, for every opportunity we can use it. We use the 500i. The power to weight is awesome. The pickup speed on the chain is phenomenal. As soon as you squeeze that trigger, it's there. Ouch. Gyro, no gyro on your wrists. You can use it for longer without feeling fatigued, and I reckon it's increased our productivity by about 10 to 20% on average per day, which is quite a difference. So in short, and as a sum up, I love it, basically. Nice one.